Hi everyone! Congratulations on last week's challenge. I hope our feedback has been helpful in continuing your creative endeavors. This week, we're going to start with a new segment on these videos, the featured feature. Each team has submitted some amazing work, but to give a bit of incentive, we'll highlight one aspect of a team's project that stands out to our officers. This week, we want to feature Team CDC, Team CAPED Freshies, and Team Carin Clemente for their amazing artwork. They will get bonus points when it comes time to tally up the scores for our grand prize winner. Put everything you've got into your work going forward, and your team might be featured next. On that note, it's time to reveal where this competition is going. Last week was the end of our work with featured attractions. From here on out, we'll begin to explore different areas of theme park design outside of the attraction design. Over the next 5 weeks, you'll get the chance to work with the following fields: culinary design, retail design, guest interaction, cost analysis, and miscellaneous design. So without further ado, here's Hayley to introduce our food week.
Hello, I'm Hayley and I'm the member representative on the CAPED Officer Board. In the future, I plan to work in the marketing field in the theme park industry. When you're going to a theme park, food is almost never the first thought on your mind, but imagine a day at Disneyland without food. If you want guests to stay more than a few hours, you'll need to provide them with dining options. There's so much that can be done with food, and when done right, food can be a storytelling enhancer for your theme park. After all, we've all heard the tales of butterbeer and the wizarding world of Harry Potter. Your task this week is to blend storytelling and culinary arts to create a cohesive restaurant. On Friday, April 24th, you'll submit a plan for a new sit-down full-service restaurant in your land, including a menu, a specialty dish, and a service plan. We'll start with the cornerstone of a culinary experience, the food. There's a lot to keep in mind when designing a restaurant. Your food will need to walk the line between comfortable for a Western audience and true to the culinary traditions that you want to represent. While plenty of guests just want a hamburger and fries, a McDonald's might not fit the theme of your land. Another challenge is trying to feed a wide audience. For your restaurant to be memorable, the food has to be good. One way to ensure that people keep coming back for years to come is to introduce a specialty dish. In the words of David Younger, the author of Theme Park Design, theme parks often rely on cult items, unique and unusual food or beverages sold with some degree of exclusivity to purposefully cultivate a cult following. Examples include the blue milk at Galaxy's Edge, the beignets at the French Market, or even fried Twinkies at state fairs all across the country. Naturally, design plays a heavy role in this as well. A guest can't experience your food without experiencing your menu. The menu is often one of the first experiences a guest can have with your restaurant. It needs to be aesthetically pleasing but navigable. How will you make it presentable? How will you show your guests their options while staying true to your story? How will you balance the needs of kids and adults alike? Your menu will have to cater to a wide range of guests with a unique set of needs. Culinary design is not the only part of restaurateuring though. Opening a new restaurant often requires the expertise of industrial engineers, perfecting the process of getting guests in and out the door. How will your restaurant serve its guests? How long will their food take to make? How long will they be in your restaurant? These are all important points to consider. While this is by no means professional standard, this kind of system optimization is the core of industrial engineering. Your service plan will have answers to all of these questions. Once you've got all of these, you will be well on your way to designing a full theme park culinary experience. This will be our only week working with this kind of culinary design, so give it everything you've got. And remember, story is key. Check out our examples in the Drive folder below and submit your final designs by 5 p.m. on Friday, April 24th. We'll see you then. Bye!